Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful birthday scrapbook base with the step-by-step procedure. So this is very easy to create and I have added one cover this time to my scrapbook and I have added total 5 pages to this. So it's really very easy to create and without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need bone folder, pencil, ruler, liquid glue, scissor, mount board or cardboard and black color cardstock. First I am taking some pieces of mount boards. So we need two pieces which measures 5 by 16 centimeters, two pieces which measures 8 by 16 centimeters and one large piece which measures 16 by 16 centimeters. Now we have to arrange all these pieces on black cardstock. So since I don't have long cardstock, so I am joining two A4 size black cardstock. This is having 120 GSM thickness. So I will connect both the A4 size cardstock with each other to create a long piece of paper. So add little glue and connect it through the center. Now I will arrange all the mount board pieces on top of this. So first in the center I am adding large piece, then two thin pieces and then two medium pieces on left and right sides. Now I will start connecting all these pieces using liquid glue. Keep little gap between each mount board piece so that we can easily fold this. Now I'm just creasing it using my bone folder. After that I will cut all the parts from the top and the bottom so that we can fold these extra paper easily, and I'm just shaping it. Now add little glue and secure it. In the same way I will complete this. So it's done and we can close our scrapbook like this. Now I'm adding one more piece of paper inside this to cover this white area. Like this. So the base of the scrapbook is ready. Now I will show you how to create the spine. For this I have already created 5 parts of the spine. Since I am adding 5 pages to my scrapbook today, so I have created 5 spines. So one spine measures 3 by 15 centimeters and I have folded this on 0.8 centimeters. In the same way I have created total 5. Now I will start adding these spines on the second part of our mount board like this. So I have added all the spines. Now I am taking 2 more pieces of cardstock which is measures 16 by 15 centimeters and this one measures 15 by 15 centimeters, and I have also created one connector which measures 3 by 15 centimeters, and I have folded this connector from the center. Now on this 16 by 15 cardstock I have folded on 1 centimeter from one side. Now I will start making the page. So this is done. From this side you can connect through the spine. Now I will create one semicircle patch so that we can easily insert our page or photograph through this pocket. So I'm just finding my center and tracing this small semicircle on this. I will cut this semicircle. Just erasing my pencil work. In the same way I have created 4 more pages. So in total we need 5 pages. Now I am cutting these spines from the corners like this. In this way we can easily insert our pockets through these spines. Now I will start adding the page one by one with the spine. In the same way, connect rest of the pockets. Now I am taking these two cardstock pieces which measures 16 by 16 centimeters and two more cardstock pieces which measures 5.5 by 16 centimeters. And also I am taking four connectors which measures 2 by 16 centimeters. Here I am creating the wrap band of our scrapbook. So this is the outer layer of the scrapbook. Now I am joining all four parts using connectors. So the band is ready. Now you can just insert your scrapbook through this band like this. So the base of the scrapbook is ready, and stay tuned for the next part where I will decorate this beautiful scrapbook. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.